All right, let's check out how to use Bitmoji in Google Drawings where we get a good, desirable result. Okay, so we're going to start with the Bitmoji app. Here we go. Open that up. On the iPad, it looks funny. I'm going to go ahead and use this to make it full screen. There we go. And I'm going to go with, I don't know, let's go with this one right here. So I'm going to go with Woohoo because it's in the middle. Okay. I'm going to tap and let go. And when I do, this pops up. Okay. We're going to swipe up on this and we're going to go with copy. Once I copy that, swipe up from the bottom. And now I'm going to find my way over to Safari, where I have open a Google Drawing. I've already opened this, but you can just open it if you want to. All right, from there, edit, paste. You ready? Edit, paste, and paste again. There we go. We've got our Bitmoji ready to go. Can resize that as desired. Rotate it just like you would any other image. In fact, what's really nice about this is the fact that it is also transparent. So let's put a green background. Yay! Now I'm going to move this guy wherever I want. Move him over here and rotate him. Make him a little bit bigger. There we go. And now we have transparent background, Bitmoji, copied and pasted into a Google Drawing. Same could work in a Google Doc, slideshow, what have you.